Juliet balconies have become very, very popular in the UK. There are several offerings out there. Bohle has launched a new product called Lyon, and it has several advantages over the existing products in the marketplace. It is very, very simple to install. It really is just a case of floor fixing per side. It can be fixed into the reveal, or it can actually be fixed to the sash. So it's capable of being fixed to concrete, to steel, to aluminium, to PVC with steel reinforcing. The real key to it is that it's capable of spanning a 4-metre width. We already sell some Juliet balcony products. This is our own. We can powder coat it any rail colour that you want. So if you're matching up to an existing colour PVC frame, foil frame, we can do that. If you're fitting to an aluminium frame, same again, tell us the rail colour and we can provide it in any rail colour you like. Fitting a Lyon Juliet balcony couldn't be simpler. It's a simple 1, 2, 3 click process, and the glass is retained. You don't need any special tools. If you're capable of fitting a window or a bifold, then you can fit a Juliet balcony just as easily. We've tested the product in the UK to British standard, and we can actually recommend glass thicknesses to you. For fabricators, it provides an excellent diversification opportunity because there's no investment required. It is as simple as screwing the profile into the frame. There's no glass processing. So what you're doing is you're turning, a standard window or French doors into something that brings the outside into the room, and that's what the public are demanding at the moment. We see this in other aspects of our business with sliding glass doors, but also the industry, the home improvement industry, sees this with obviously the vast number of bifolds which are going into the market at the moment.